up, guys? Today I'm gonna be talking about how to draw a face, and I really don't want to talk this long, but if you could just like and subscribe for me, it'll be very much appreciated. So I'm gonna be watching my video, basically showing y'all what I did. I screen recorded my video so I can make sure I had everything correct, because I don't know, I just didn't know how I felt, because I might take up too much space in my, that's besides the point. But I'm gonna just make sure I have it all straight for y'all. Alright. Okay. Let's get started. Alright. Okay, so when I start drawing and stuff, I always have a round brush, because yeah, I love using a round brush, and I end up editing onto my own because I like the width of it, so it don't go from skin. I want all my lines to be like the same. And right now I'm just sketching it out for y'all. But yeah, this drawing, I really liked it. I'm into. Alright, so I'm labeling the eyes, I'm labeling the nose, I'm gonna label everything that you have. And if you see me looking down, that's because I'm watching the video from my tablet. So I'm labeling the nose, eyes, brows, and mouth. That's where I'm gonna have it placed. I always start off with a circle, and I end up splitting it in half. Yeah, so, and then I sketch a line up under, because I always want to make sure my shoulder is like the right. I always draw my head away from my shoulder for some odd reason. Like, I can't never just have it together. I really want to get to 100 subscribers. I'm gonna be so happy. I know it ain't much, but I'm gonna still be happy. And if I can get at least 100 views. What I've been working on recently, I'm gonna drop it below. But this video is gonna have two parts to it. I'm gonna have the part where I drew it and the part of how to color it on Procreate, because I want to show, like, I had even did like the heart that I'm gonna draw on there. I had a heart necklace, and I did it so it can glow. But right now I'm starting off with the nose. I always draw my noses with a circle first, and I smudge it together, because to me, that shows like right here where, yeah, that shows where the nose is gonna be at. So I feel like I'm away from the camera, like all the way back here. I should be all the way up here. I don't know. I'm gonna probably fix it. But yeah, don't mind my school emails. I was working on school at the moment, so I had to like drop it. But yeah, so where I put the eye position in the space at, I draw like these little ovals, and that's how I make my eyes. And what I did notice, I made the eyes crooked, so I started to switch between layers, because I wanted to make sure, I knew for sure that I was gonna have it, I was gonna switch it. Alright. And then with my lips, I start with the Cupid bow. And I love doing my lips like that. I love just the big lips. My drawing always gonna have a big lips, little nose, big eyes. But yeah. Now I'm starting to space out where I want the eyebrows at inside my drawing. I feel like I'm sucking really bad at this, because I gotta look at the camera. But yeah, I filmed it so I'm looking at myself. I should have filmed it so I could look at y'all. Now I ain't gonna be looking directly into the camera. I'm really looking off, but I'm really looking directly into the camera. It look like I'm looking straight. But yeah. Right now I'm just editing. I'm finna start with the heart outline. And I did end up changing how I like the eyes, because the eyes was too far out, and I wanted to be more in and more bigger. I'm drawing the wing. One thing I did forget to draw on this drawing was the eyelashes. I always forget the eyelashes. That's why I normally do the eyelashes first, but for this drawing, I really didn't. I was doing classwork while I was making the drawing. Right now, I'm smudging in like the iris. I told you I'm gonna end up moving it and erasing it. Woo! I feel like I'm all up in the camera. I want my video to be right here. But I feel like I'm right there where the video's supposed to be. How'd that work? Alright, so right now I was deciding where I wanted to put the hair at. I'm gonna make another video on how I want like my brushes that I use, just so y'all can copy my brushes. And yeah. So I made the little heart. And then I finished, and then I turned out to be like here. So thank you guys for watching. You can follow me on Instagram Add me as a friend on Snapchat. Yeah, I really don't have that much to say. But thank you guys for watching. Make sure y'all check for my part 2.